How we doing today, guys? Thanks for watching. Today we're going to do a quick video on the Godox v850 version 2 and the tt600. This is how to use them as a master flash on camera. Now the v850 version 2 and the tt600 are essentially the same speed light. The only difference is that the tt600 runs on AA batteries and the v850 uses a lithium-ion battery that comes with it. So the first thing we're going to look at, when it comes out of the box here, you notice it is set to manual. They are manual only flashes. They do not have TTL. They will do high-speed sync, but off camera only. So if you're using them on camera, your max shutter speed is going to be 1/160th of a second. Some cameras you'll get up to 1/200th of a second. So to use it as a master flash, you're going to come over here and you're going to press this little mode button. It's got mode and then a little Z underneath it. So you're going to press and hold that, and when you do that, it's going to make this little radio antenna icon pop up and start flashing. So when that's flashing, turn your wheel, and if you'll notice that M popped up, that means it is in master mode. If you want to set it up as a slave, click it over one more time, and it goes into slave mode. So we're going to make sure we're going to do this in master mode. So right there, set it up as a master, hit the set button, it locks it into place. So if you'll look up here at the top, you see the GR, that means group. Beside that is M, and group M is the master. So that is your on-camera flash. That is this power display on the screen. So if you want to adjust your flash power for your on-camera flash, you'll just start turning the wheel, and your on-camera flash will fire at those settings. So let's say you want to use your on-camera flash at a setting, and then you have up to 5 groups off camera. You have A, B, C, D, and E. So we've got group M, which is our master. So if we want to look and see what our group A flash is going to be at, we're going to hit this little button right here. It says GR over the CH. So this is your group and channel button. So a short press of it switches us to group A. And as you see right now, we have group A turned off. So all we'll do, turn the wheel to whatever power we want group A to fire at. Hit the set button. It's ready to go. If I want to change a different group, press it again. I go to group B. Again, I'm going to turn the wheel to whatever power setting I want. There we go. Group C. Again, adjust that power. Group D. Adjust the power. Group E. Adjust the power. So you have 6 different variables on your lighting. You have your master flash and then up to 5 groups off camera. They can all be controlled independently. So if you want to change your channel, notice right here we're on channel 1, and let's say you're getting some interference or something and you want to change to a different channel. So you'll press and hold this button right here, and notice the 1 starts flashing. While it is flashing, you can adjust to whichever channel you want to. It goes up to channel 32, so you've got plenty of choice there. So we're going to go to channel 6 right there. So we hit the set and we lock it in. Pretty simple, pretty easy. There's not a whole lot of functionality to these lights. You know, you can control your zoom right here by pressing the zoom over the function button. So you can adjust that zoom there. Right here, this button, the MF over the H, this is a manual focus button. What it does when this little light bulb comes on, I don't know if you can see it or not, but on my background back there, it's got a little grid, and that is a grid that fires out so that you can focus on your subject. And then it goes away after a few seconds, but I don't know if you can see it there, but it's on the background and allows you to do that. So then if you want to press and hold it, you can turn on high-speed sync so that you'll be able to shoot in the high-speed sync mode there. So let's go back over here. We'll hit the group. We'll go back. Here we go. We're ready to go. There's really not a whole lot more to these lights. You know, if you have any questions or anything, be sure and leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you for watching.